Welcome to a brand new episode of Hawk Talk. Along with our sister program Red Hawk News, we will continue to take you deeper into the world of ACIT with special features, interviews, and a few other surprises. Students of the Special Services District celebrated the importance of kindness and anti-bullying through Unity Day on October 22nd. They sung, danced, and held a parade all while dressed in orange.
At the Atlantic County Special Services School, students celebrated kindness and took a stance against bullying through their Unity Day parade. In their bright-colored clothing and posters, they marched proudly through the hallways on their way to perform a rendition of We Are the World.
Unity is important because everybody should feel welcome when they go to school. Everybody should feel included. Especially in our school, we have a lot of students with disabilities, so we want to make sure that they're included in all of our events and that everybody comes together and supports each other. Unity Day is celebrated in October. It's part of the bullying awareness campaign. So we pledge not to be bullies in our school. We pledge to support everybody, and we work together like a team to make sure everybody fits in and everybody's included.
Although today staff and students go the extra mile to celebrate kindness, they make sure to practice it year-round.
And I done something kind for my other friend because when he was mad, he didn't want to he wanted to go inside. So I me and my other friend, we were trying to stop him from walking out and staying here.
Unity Day promotes values that are important for both children and adults, making the world a better place.
It's a safe day where all people, all religions could come together, and it's a safe environment for kids and people to come out and celebrate no matter what race you are. There's no judgment. It's a happy, fun day for kids. See, everybody's here smiling, dancing. Everybody got a chance to go on stage and laugh. Sweet kids, sweet days. Yeah, that's why Unity Day is important.
The celebration was a beautiful display of peace, love, and kindness. Hopefully everyone is inspired to celebrate Unity Day in their own way next year. For Red Hawk Media, this is Reese McKnight.
What a cool way to stand up against bullying. Hawk Talk will return after our first break.
Senior and junior students and parents are invited to our Fall Financial Aid Night at 6 p.m. in the PAC on Wednesday, November 12th. A presenter from the Higher Education Assistance Authority will provide a 1-hour overview of the financial aid process. They will be reviewing information on grants, scholarships, and loans offered by the state of New Jersey. They will also review the process to apply, but it is not a hands-on workshop to complete a financial aid application. Seniors, this is the most up-to-date information you will receive for your financial aid application year. Juniors, this is a great opportunity to get ahead and learn what is to come.
Welcome back to Hawk Talk. In the spirit of Halloween, Jake and Ashley asked ACIT students about their spooky favorites.
Halloween is a time of costumes, candy, spooks, and fun with friends. Let's ask fellow students what their spooky dooky Halloween plans are.
I think I'm gonna be Belle from Beauty and the Beast.
I'm gonna be Kyle from South Park, and my friend's gonna be Eric Cartman.
I think I'm gonna be Doodle Bob. So I wanted to be the Lorax, but they was making fun of me, so I'm gonna be a vampire for Halloween this year.
It's gonna be my new costume that I'm doing this year. I'm gonna be Amy from Brooklyn 99.
I'm gonna be a minion.
This year for Halloween, I'm torn between matching with one of my friends as Charlie Brown and Snoopy, or I'm gonna be Saint Chroma from the Chromacopia album.
Favorite Halloween candy? Gotta be Skittles.
Favorite candy has to be candy corn.
Probably Reese's.
I'm gonna have to say Almond Joy.
My favorite thing about Halloween is just going around, seeing all the cool costumes, and just going trick-or-treating.
I really like going trick-or-treating with my family. It's like our little tradition, so I enjoy that.
The candy.
Just like hanging out with friends.
The candy.
I think the culture is definitely a big part. It's really cool to see everyone like decorate. Getting out the house with a candy.
I like, honestly, just being able to, particularly now more than ever in high school, now that I have the opportunity to hang out with people more and go out trick-or-treating and choose who I go with. I think it's fun to just spend the night with people that I like and just go out and have fun and enjoy my time.
Whether your favorite part's candy, costumes, or just the vibes, we wish all our zombies, ghosts, vampires, and everyone a happy and safe Halloween. For Red Hawk Media, I'm Jake Lavari. Boo!
My favorite Halloween candy has got to be the Left Twix. What's your favorite candy? Before the break, scan the QR code and answer our poll. Results will be displayed on the screens in the hallways. We'll be right back after this quick break.
Calling all talented Red Hawks, warm up those vocal cords and tune up those instruments. ACIT's Got Talent auditions will be after school on Monday, November 24th and Tuesday, November 25th. We are looking for both contestants and hosts. Start preparing your acts and join the Google Classroom with the code JTUCCQPB to gain access to audition information and permission slips. Permission slips will also be located on the blue ribbon wall. You must have a signed permission slip to audition. First, second, and third place contestants will win prizes. All of the proceeds from the event will benefit the class of 2027. If you have any questions, please email Ms. Dennis at adennis@acitech.org. Don't miss a beat. We hope to see you there.
Come to the Drama Showcase where you can see many creative performances from the ACIT Performing Arts students. The Drama Showcase will include scenes, monologues, original scripts, and musical theater acts. Tickets are sold for $8 online and at the door for $10, and doors open at 6:30 p.m. while the show starts at 7. We hope to see you there.
Attention ACIT students and staff. 2025 to 2026 yearbooks are now on sale. Get them at their lowest price for a limited time only. The $85 cost will rise in November. Scan the QR codes to order your yearbooks and ads now. You can also order your yearbooks at www.jostens.com. Just search for ACIT.
To wrap up our Halloween special, the dynamic duo Hannah and Heidi have a Halloween treat to share in a brand new season of Cooking It Up.
Hello, ghouls and ghosts. Welcome to Cooking It Up with Hannah Kanievich and my familiar Heidi Bender. Today we're gonna be cooking up human pie. Let's get into it. Yeah.
The ingredients include flour, sugar, salt, butter, water, frozen cherries, cornstarch, lemon juice, and an egg. In a stand mixer, add in 2.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Add in 1/2 cup of butter until pea-sized clumps form. Then,
Pour in 7 tablespoons of water, and a crumbly dough should form. If not, add in more water little by little. Form the dough into a ball without kneading, and then refrigerate with saran wrap over it for 1 hour. Then, in a pot, add 3 cups of frozen cherries, a 1/3 cup of sugar, an 1/8 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, an 1/8 cup of water, and then stir every 5 minutes at a medium-low heat until thick. Then let it cool. After an hour, roll out your pie dough a bit thin and cut out circles with a bowl. Cut out the eyes, nose, and mouth. With any extra dough, you can make a nose if you'd like. Add on some cherry filling onto a circle of dough, then top with the face and crimp with a fork. With the jam-like consistency of the cherries, add some details to the face. Beat an egg and add 1 tablespoon of water for the egg wash and brush it on. Bake at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Let cool, then enjoy. For Red Hawk Media, this is your twitchy witchy girl, Hannah Kanievich.
Looking for more places to find us? Follow and subscribe to all of our social media channels. As always, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. From the crew and staff of Red Hawk Media, I'm Victoria Tricasio. Have a safe and fun Halloween, and we'll see you next time.